Stem cells are the repair system in the same sense that you have an immune system. You cut yourself, you have a bacteria that gets into your cut. Right there, macrophage will get in touch with that bacteria, engulf the bacteria, be entrained in your lymphatic circulation, go to the first lymph node, trigger the immune response. You release a bunch of immune cells. They go everywhere in the body, but they will migrate specifically where there's the cut. They go beside the bacteria, they kill the bacteria. This is your well-coordinated immune system to keep you alive. Now that cut, if it is significant enough, will also release granulocyte colony stimulating factor, stem cell factor, interleukin 8. These compounds have been well documented to trigger the release of stem cells from the bone marrow. Within 3 to 5 days, you will have an increase in the number of stem cells in circulation that will be about 3 to 10-fold. And the stem cell will literally crawl to the site of the injury, and upon contact with cellular debris of that tissue, stem cells will multiply and transform into cells of that tissue.